In this video, a friend and me come to visit the abandoned factory here in Germany, Wesseling, the Nordel factory. Stay tuned to see more of this factory.
Oh shit. As you guys can see, this place is super abandoned and super stuck in the weeds.
Watch out the holes, bro. Let's go that way, man. You guys cannot feel it because you guys are not on the camera, but it's super cold in here. It's like when you go into this area, it's super weird. Last time when we were in here, it was full of water and it was super weird vibe. And you can really get the hair standing up on your arms a bit around here. So, it's dark, it's crazy. Come in, check out this place. It looks like a bomb exploded in here. So apparently here in this factory was a chemical factory, so who knows what the history is of this part of the factory, why it looks like this. But basically what was investigated here was that the Nazis used this factory to produce chemicals. This factory was made in 1904 or 5 and it was running until 1994. So basically 100 years. Now it's 130 years of structure. As you can see, it's completely destroyed. A lot of people coming to do graffiti here. floor is like sinking. from the water damage. It's a bit scary actually when you step on it because it really sinks in. If you look at the floor here, you can really get the sinking vibe of the floor. What's going on in this place? Pretty damn scary, I must say. You can see the little fire in here too, you know? Like everything's burnt, everything's like falling down. It's pretty crazy. Here, I'll grab the camera and take it now. Let's go. Let's place out. Know that people destroyed some walls. It's pretty crazy. And all this black stuff that's on the ceiling is burnt. It's pretty crazy, right? So I found some really crazy history about it. I don't know exactly how true this is, but apparently this place was used in World War II. They used people from the camps, the Jews, and they basically enslaved them here. They made them work in the factory. But I read something about the factory guy who was the owner of the factory gave them some sort of wage, or he helped them out somehow, and they didn't chastise him for doing that. So they, in the end, they like let him go easily. So I don't know exactly the whole story. It's hard to get information on the factory, but yeah, that's more or less what I was able to get. So pretty crazy and a pretty dark story. Bro, where'd you leave your skateboard behind?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. So we're up in the photo shoot area. He left his skateboard up there. Yeah, pretty crazy. But yeah. I can tell you something. You can probably get a really nice sunset here. It's gonna go down in a few hours. And it's gonna be beautiful. Anyway guys, this is basically the factory of Norton here in Wesseling, Germany. Hope you guys liked it. You guys know what you guys know what you have to do, and I'll see you guys in the next one with another crazy video.